Hey, it's Naturally TC coming at you with this comb twist video. Yes, like somebody tried to get on me because I called the last video finger coils, comb coils, finger twist, comb twist, starter locks, blah, blah, blah. Basically, you're taking the natural curl pattern of the hair and shaping it. I always call it like a wet set, because if these coils get wet, or you wet them in the shower or anything like that, it's going to get frizzy. So you kind of wear it like a roller set. And you have to take care of your curls, make sure they don't get wet, moisturize them, even though you're wearing them like this. And you really don't, like, a lot of people don't manipulate the style. Like when this client comes back in, she still has her coils, like her roots are fuzzy and grown out as well, but she doesn't really manipulate her hair between her coils, and it looks really good. Like even when she comes back in, I told her last time, it still looked really good even though it was fuzzy and frizzy. She still had coils in her hair, and she's just a pretty person inside and out anyway, so they still look really good on her. So what I'm doing is just taking my comb, and as you can see, at some point I actually comb out the hair and then begin to twist the hair to make the coils, and then I finish up on the end with my fingers. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. It just depends on what the hair does, how I decide to manipulate it. And I am using the Maine coconut foam that is sold at mainlifestudio.com. It is a coconut foam. I like this. I was using like the Maine mint foam a lot, but she came out with the coconut foam, which is, of course, is more moisturizing for my naturals. So it's softer and really more rich, in the formula is more rich, so it's thicker. So it does really good for my natural coils. So that's what I use. I always use a leave-in conditioner depending on the client's hair, what kind I use. Kenra is a line that I use. What's the other one? I kind of was using Diva Curl for a while. I love their leave-in conditioner. It's really good. Very moisturizing. They're a lot more pricey than I like them to be, especially when you're talking about the amount of product that you use inside the salon. But you know, it is what it is. I eat up the cost because that's what it takes to, you know, do good work or whatnot. So yeah, so I'm just taking the comb, twirling it around, making sure I'm getting a nice clean curl here. And that's about it. So here are your comb twists. And let me see. I wish I could see further down in the video to see what else I need to share with you guys. But I'll allow it to play. Watch it. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook, Naturally TC. Leave in the comments anything. I know people are always asking me, like, what am I using? But I say it in the video and I show the container in the video. But yeah, just Maine mint. Not Maine mint. This one is Maine coconut. The earlier ones, like my earlier videos before they had coconut, were the Maine mint foam. So either of them works. I just like the coconut. Like I said, it's richer and it's more moisturizing. So if you're going to purchase it, do the coconut first and see how you like it. All right. Show me some love. Share with a friend. I will keep the videos coming. Thank you so much for your love and support and watching these videos. I really, really appreciate it. And I don't take each subscriber for granted. I love you all. Bye.